Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIEVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Indian English Version School. And now I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is changing voice. Okay, and in the previous class I taught you how to change the voice of assertive sentence, and today I will discuss about interrogative sentence. Okay, and on that previous class I told you that you can form any interrogative sentence by following two rules. One, by using double S pronoun at the beginning of the sentence, and number two, by using auxiliary verbs at the beginning of the sentence. So by using auxiliary verb is quite hard for you, so I have planned to take this class today. Okay, let's come to the board. Here I have written three sentences, dear students. Number one, did you play cricket? Did you play cricket? You know that although this sentence begins with did, this is definitely past indefinite tense. Okay, so and in the second sentence you can see, have you done the work? Have you done the work? This is have, and done, the past participle form of the verb. So you can understand that which tense is used here. And does he watch television? Television, T-E-L-E, television. Okay, so all this sentence we can see begins with auxiliary verb. So if any interrogative sentence begins with auxiliary verb and we need to convert that sentence into passive sentence, then what we need to do? Then after getting such kind of sentence, we will do it in a rough. Okay, then first of all we need to convert its assertive form. What would be its assertive form? Did you play cricket? I told you that it's in which tense. After getting did, you may evaluate that it's past indefinite tense. So it would be, its assertive form would be you played cricket. You played cricket. Okay, after changing it into assertive, we have to make it passive form. Okay, this sentence passive form. Then object would be subject, and you know that it's past indefinite tense. So in past indefinite tense, or at the case of past indefinite tense, we can use was or were. Okay, then we use here was. Cricket was. Cricket was, then what? The past participle form of the verb, always used in passive form. So plays passive form is cricket was played, then rules by, then use objective form is you. Okay, dear students, so after getting any sentence beginning with the auxiliary verb, first of all we will convert that sentence into assertive sentence, then the passive form of that assertive sentence, then we get the answer, and its passive form would be, or its answer would be its interrogative form. Its interrogative form, that means we have to turn this auxiliary verb at the beginning. Then what would be the answer? Was cricket played by you. Okay, so this is its answer. You will have to do these two sentences at rough place. Okay, you have to do it rough, and this is the exact answer. Okay, I am telling you again, after getting any sentence which is interrogative and it begins with auxiliary verb, so at first you have to convert that sentence into its assertive form, then the assertive form's passive form, then the passive form's interrogative form. Okay, then how you will turn it into interrogative? By turning the auxiliary verb at the beginning. Okay, this is its answer. Okay, this sentence answer is it, and you have to do this into rough. Now, have you done the work? Have you done the work? Dear students, what would be its assertive form? You have done the work, isn't it? You have done the work. Okay, then after assertive we will convert it into passive form. Then what is its object? The work. The work. Then what? Have done. That means its present perfect tense. So for the case of perfect tense, what we have to do? We need to add additional been. The work have been done by you. Okay, understand? The work is singular. The work has. Okay, the work has been done by you. Okay, the work has been done by you. It's this assertive sentence passive form. And now what we have to do? Now we have to turn it into interrogative form. Then how we will turn it into interrogative form? Turn this has at the beginning of the sentence. So answer would be has the work been done by you. Okay, has the work been done by you? Now we will do another example. Does he watch television? Number 3. Does he watch television? Okay, so it also begins with auxiliary verb. So what we will do? Its assertive form. I used does for this sentence. For what? It's present indefinite tense and carrying does. So it would be he watches television. Okay, then its passive form. What would be its passive form? Television. Then for the case of present indefinite tense, we have to use is, am, or am is, are. Okay, so that relation is, was, past participle form, by he. His objective form. We have to use its objective form. His objective form is him. So the sentence would be television is watched by him. And now we have to convert that sentence into its interrogative form. How we will turn it into interrogative form? Is, or auxiliary verb at the beginning. Is television watches by him. So its answer would be is television watches by him. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's discussion, and for your better understanding you must practice it at home. After that, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.